What if I told you that the wrong first credit card could slow down your credit building journey for years? Most beginners make the same mistake. They either apply for cards they can't get approved for, or they choose cards packed with hidden costs and terrible benefits. But in this video, I'll show you the top 5 beginner-friendly credit cards for 2026 that charge 0 annual fees, are easier to qualify for, and can help you build a strong credit score faster. And stick around until the end, because my 101 pick offers rewards while helping you establish credit, even if you're just getting started. Top 5 best credit cards for beginners in 2026 with 0 fees. Coming in at number 5 is the Petal II Visa Credit Card. What makes this card unique is that it doesn't rely entirely on your credit history. Instead, Petal may evaluate factors like your income and cash flow, making it a great option for people who have little to no credit history. Here's why beginners like it. No annual fee, no security deposit required, potential cashback rewards, designed specifically for people building credit. And the best part? As you make on-time payments, your rewards rate can increase over time. If traditional banks keep saying no, Petal II could be your way into the credit world. At number 4, we have the Capital One Savor Student Cash Rewards Card. If you're a student, this card is one of the easiest ways to earn rewards on purchases you're already making. Think dining out, entertainment, streaming services, groceries. Plus, it comes with $0 annual fee, $0 foreign transaction fees, cashback rewards on everyday spending. Many student cards offer limited benefits, but this one actually rewards your lifestyle while helping build credit. For college students, that's a win-win. Number 3 might surprise you. It's the Discover It Secured Credit Card. Now, yes, you'll need a refundable security deposit, but don't click away just yet. This card offers features that many regular credit cards don't. Here's why it's popular. No annual fee. Earn cash back on purchases. Discover matches all the cash back you earn during your first year. Opportunity to graduate to an unsecured card. That means you can potentially get your deposit back after demonstrating responsible credit use. For beginners who want a strong credit-building tool, this card punches way above its weight. Taking the number 2 spot is the Capital One Platinum Card. This card is famous for one reason. It's one of the most beginner-friendly unsecured credit cards available. Translation, you don't need to put down a security deposit. Benefits include no annual fee, designed for people with limited credit history, automatic consideration for a higher credit limit after 6 months of responsible payments. This makes it an excellent stepping stone toward better rewards cards in the future. Simple, straightforward, and beginner-approved. And finally, our number 1 pick for beginners in 2026, the Chase Freedom Rise. This card stands out because it combines beginner accessibility with actual rewards. Many starter cards focus only on helping you build credit. But Chase Freedom Rise gives you both credit-building potential and cashback rewards. Highlights include 0 annual fee, cash back on everyday purchases, designed for people with little or no credit history, potential pathway to other premium Chase credit cards later. And that's a huge advantage. Building a relationship with Chase early can open doors to some of the most valuable rewards cards available in the future. That's why it earns our top spot. So here's the quick recap. Number 1, Chase Freedom Rise. Number 2, Capital One Platinum. Number 3, Discover It Secured Credit Card. Number 4, Capital One Savor Student Cash Rewards. Number 5, Petal II Visa Credit Card. Remember, the best beginner credit card isn't necessarily the one with the biggest rewards. It's the one that helps you build credit responsibly while keeping costs low. Pay your balance on time, keep your utilization low, and avoid carrying unnecessary debt. Do that consistently, and your credit score can become one of your most valuable financial assets. Which of these cards would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more personal finance tips and credit building strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.